Alright, so here's my review of the Fafada folding bike lock. It looks to me like this seems to be sorry I can't focus right, but and I already tore the package open, sorry about that. This looks to be like a Chinese manufactured copy of a lot of other locks that seem to be predominating the market. So let me pull it out for you. First thing you see is within the construct here. We got three really impressive keys. 1, 2, 3. Um, you have a couple of really amazingly durable zip ties in case you don't want to hook it onto your bicycle water bottle fixture holes. The lock itself, which comes in a very secure, very herky case. There's your adjustable holes right there, so there's no worries about maybe your lock not quite lining up with your bicycle cage holes. Lastly, you've got some mounting hardware. You've got a standard hex wrench driven bolt, and in traditional IKEA fashion, they give you a nice hex wrench drivers. I can't guess on the actual size of it. 12 millimeter maybe. So, and the package was pretty generic with Chinese writing on the bottom. There you go. There's the only English. Fafada bike foldable, scary new. So basically, you can pull off the rubber, as it were, right there. The lock slides out. A lot easier than I made it look. And it looks something like this. So, anyway, the lock is super durable. See the buttons there. The actual metallic connection points are almost, you can't even see them, they're built in. The lock itself is labeled as hardened steel, but it's overcoated with a heavy layer of plastic. Notice the brand name says Tonyan, and there was a little sticker in the front that said Tonyan, so I assume that is Fafada's manufacturer. My little Tonyan thing came off. If you want to take it off, there's really not a whole lot stopping you. So, anyway, other than that, it folds up pretty nicely. And, sorry about the mess in my apartment. Literally just slips into the holder. And voila. I don't see this rubber part unless it gets super dry rotted. But even then, I'm not even sure this thing would come out if you didn't have the rubber thing on there. If it's just kind of held in there by gravity, I think that's almost enough. And if you had to, you could even just, if this thing ever dry rotted, probably could use a lanyard or something.